Several years ago, I graduated from college with a Master of Fine Arts in painting. And when it was over and I had graduated, I didn't really know what to do. All of a sudden, there was no one giving me an assignment to do. And it was really strange. All my life, every time I'd taken a class or anytime I wanted to do artwork, it was pretty obvious what I needed to do because the teacher gave me an assignment. And almost a year went by before I painted anything. And I thought to myself, I can't really call myself an artist if I don't paint anything, if I'm not making anything. So I decided one day I'm going to paint even if it's wrong. Like today, I'm going to just pick up paint and pick up a paintbrush and paint even if it comes out bad. And that night, I was coming home from the grocery store, and I came across the door plate on my door, and it was glistening in the street light. And I thought, Jasper Johns painted numbers. Why can't I paint numbers? So I went upstairs to my studio in my apartment, and I just started painting. I painted the number 3 over and over and over again. That was pretty much all it took, because at that point, the paint was moving around on the canvas and I was doing stuff and things were coming to me and it was starting to make sense and ideas were starting to develop. Was it a great painting that I did? No. Was the series of 3s that I painted awesome? No. Well, at least I didn't think so, but I was having a good time. I was painting. I could call myself a painter. I was no longer feeling guilty for not painting like I should be. I just got in there and painted. And this happens to me from time to time. And that's what happened to me here. I haven't painted or drawn anything like I feel like I should in a while. So I came out to the wood shop, my studio, and I just started painting this tree. And as I was painting the tree, things came to me. And everything started to work out. So my advice to you is if you are struggling with an idea, don't wait for the idea. Just get your pencil or your paintbrush and start painting. I hope that's helpful. If you enjoyed that or you like this painting, give me a thumbs up and give me a comment down below. Talk to you later.